So in my last video, I was talking about if you were to move, you don't take everything with you. You don't take the things that don't represent who you want to be in your new space. And that's what stage 4 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough is about. Well, now it is, we just moved. I am in our new space. And it's so true. It is the perfect opportunity to change everything about how you were showing up, how you were living, how you were eating, how you were acting, that you just have decided to outgrow. So whether you're moving or not, even just changing your furniture around, or just changing the way, I remember Wayne Dyer said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So what can you change in your environment so it encourages a new way of thinking, a new way of acting, a new way of relating, a new way of behaving? After betrayal, everything is up for grabs. Everything is up for change. Everything is available to do things differently. That's the time to do it. And when you take that initiative, that is one of the biggest needle movers, moving you out of stage 3, the hardest place to move out of, and into stage 4, where transformation begins. Hope that helps.